Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll answer your question if your Xiaomi 15T has circle to search. So the short answer is yes, your Xiaomi 15T has circle to search feature, which allows you to circle, highlight, or tap anything on your screen to search for it on Google. So let's go through how to set it up and how to use it. Let's go to settings, and you have to go to home screen and now scroll to system navigation, and under the tab that says shortcuts you have to go to this option that says press and hold full screen indicator, and of course select circle to search. So yes, we have enabled this option, and let me explain how to use it. If you have let's go back to settings, and if you use this gestures mode, then you have to press and hold the bottom full screen indicator like this, and a pop-up will appear, and you can now circle or highlight any information or content on your screen that you want to search. So let's do this, for example, and as you can see, it searches this image for me. Let me show you how to highlight information. So simply do this, and also you can select some text from your screen. So that's really nice feature, and it could be useful for you. But for example, if you use your buttons, let me switch to buttons. You have to press and hold home button, and again this Google pop-up appears on my screen, and now I can use it. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.